Hi viewers, I am Shoaib Hussain, your English mentor. Let's discuss about the importance of one-to-one live session or one-to-one live English spoken class. First, personal attention and faster improvement. If you are learning spoken English from a teacher and in that class you are the only one student, that time you will get the most personal attention and definitely you will learn faster. Second, when you are the only one student, you will be able to ask question, many question, any question you want. Okay, so there are lots of benefits. I am going to say the benefits of one-to-one live spoken English class one by one. So there are another benefit that day by day you will build confidence. Your teacher will help you to be confident when and another benefit is it will help you to learn English without hesitation. When you are maybe making mistake at the time of speaking, the teacher, your mentor will say you that no problem, it's not a big deal. Even a fluent English speaker once was a beginner, so it's not a big deal. So definitely there are lots of benefit of learning spoken English one-to-one live class or live session. If you want to learn spoken English, if you are a job holder but you need to improve yourself, that's why you need to learn spoken English. Maybe you are planning to go to abroad for good life. Okay, so you have to learn English. Maybe you are a student but sometime in future maybe you will face job interview, so that's why you need to learn spoken English. Maybe you are a businessman, for international business you need to talk in English, so you need to learn English faster. You need to learn, you need to build a confidence. That time definitely one-to-one live English speaking class or one-to-one live English spoken lesson will help you very much and you will be learning faster. Okay, so I will suggest you, if you are willing to learn spoken English and you are very serious about it, you may you may take my course, one-to-one live English spoken course, and you may accept me as your mentor. I am not perfect but I will try my best to be a good mentor for you, definitely. So thank you so much. This is a long video, by the way. Goodbye. I hope you understand.